unboxing of the One Touch product. Here we go, this is what's inside. Hopefully we should have some batteries, remote control, and possibly a hub as well. Let's have a look. Okay. Interesting. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. Push that back in there for the moment. Let's have a sit down. Open down. So here we are. One touch hub, R2 an R2 120 DC motor, and the latest remote control. So let's have a look at the remote control first of all, shall we? So we'll just open that up. Oh, looks nice, it's white. Nice soft plastic case. And oh, there we are. There's the remote control there. And it's got inside the plastic case here. Oh, a little holder. So a little holder there, with which you can hopefully maybe fix this onto the wall. Oh, there we go, look. You can see that little holder there. That's great. Okay, so this is the One Touch remote control there. Okay, so let's have a look at the motor. I'm just wondering if this motor is going to be appropriate for the size of the barrel that I've got. It looks quite long actually, but we'll see. Offering a bit of resistance to come out. Maybe want to open it on the other side. So here we go. Yeah. Yeah. That was quite small actually. We'll push it out this way. Yeah. Interesting. Here we go. That was quite a long motor. So there it is. There's the motor there. And then we also have quite a long extension cable here for the charger. That's quite good. It's USB as well. It's USB-C type connector there, in which we can just plug that into our normal telephone socket there. You can see it's one of the hottest days of the year, 27 degrees. So I'll have to see if this will go into the roller blind that I've already got. We'll have to see about that. But it looks good. Now to the hub. Well, first impressions, it's very light. Yeah, it's very light. There we are. Okay, so we'll just open this up. And here we are. So we'll just open it so you can see. There we are. And looks very unassuming. Doesn't look too much. Quite light, I must say. It doesn't feel too heavy, but all it is yeah, smart hub. It says here. There we are. Can you see that? And doesn't have much to do with it really. Got some points on the back, power points there. Can you see that? And some attachments. I'll have to work that out later. And another USB connector. So there we are. So these are the bits. I was expecting 2 motors, but not to worry. We can always order that. And we've got the hub. So it's going to be like a bit of a jigsaw to put it all together. All right. So we're back in touch when we've got everything put together, and then you'll see another video on that.